Trading is like a game. It's about buying and selling things to make money. Think of it like buying sweets at a low price and selling them at a higher price to your friends. You buy low and sell high. That's trading in a nutshell. But instead of sweets, we're talking about stocks, currencies, and even digital currencies like Bitcoin. Now you might be thinking, what are stocks and currencies? Well, a stock is like a tiny piece of a big company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small ownership in that company. And currencies? They're simply the different types of money used around the world, like dollars, euros, and yen. Trading involves buying and selling these assets with the goal of making a profit. Of course, there's always the risk of losing money too. It's important to remember that trading is not a guaranteed way to get rich quick. It takes time, patience, and a willingness to learn. But don't worry, this guide will equip you with the basic knowledge and tools you need to start your trading journey. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, making trading easy to understand even if you're a complete beginner. So, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of trading? Let's get started. Let's start with stock trading. Remember those tiny pieces of big companies we talked about? That's what stock trading is all about, buying and selling those pieces, also known as shares. Imagine you love a company that makes delicious cookies. You believe in their product and think they'll become even more successful in the future, so you decide to buy some of their stock. If the company does well, the price of their stock goes up. Now, you can sell your shares for a profit because you bought them at a lower price. That's the beauty of stock trading. But what if the cookie company doesn't do so well? Maybe people start choosing healthier snacks, and the demand for their cookies drops. This could cause the stock price to fall. If you sell your shares at a lower price than you bought them, you'll experience a loss. Stock trading involves researching companies, understanding their performance, and predicting their future growth. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving the puzzle of the stock market. Now let's move on to the exciting world of Forex and crypto trading. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is all about trading currencies. Remember the dollars, euros, and yen we talked about earlier? In Forex trading, you're buying one currency and selling another, aiming to profit from the fluctuations in their exchange rates. Think of it like this. You're going on a trip to Europe and need to exchange your dollars for euros. You find a good exchange rate and make the swap. Later, the value of the euro rises against the dollar. Now, you can exchange your euros back to dollars and make a profit. That's the basic idea behind Forex trading. Crypto trading is similar, but instead of traditional currencies, you're trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that use cryptography for security. They operate independently of central banks and offer a decentralized way to make transactions. Crypto trading can be highly volatile, meaning prices can change dramatically in a short period. While this volatility presents risks, it also offers the potential for significant profits. Both Forex and crypto trading require a good understanding of market trends, economic factors, and risk management strategies. Now that you know a bit about different types of trading, let's talk about how you actually buy and sell these assets. That's where trading platforms come in. Think of a trading platform like an online store for stocks, currencies, and cryptocurrencies. These platforms connect you to the market, allowing you to place orders, track prices, and manage your portfolio all in one place. Let's say you want to buy shares of that cookie company we talked about earlier. You log into your trading platform, search for the company's stock symbol, enter the number of shares you want to buy, and hit the buy button. The platform then connects you with other traders who are selling those shares, and voila! The trade is executed and you're now a proud owner of those cookie company stocks. Trading platforms come in all shapes and sizes, each offering different features, fees, and tools. Some popular platforms include eToro, TradingView, and MetaTrader. Choosing the right platform for you depends on your individual needs and trading style.